Do you want full colour vibrant designs that feel soft, professional and built to last? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply UltraColour PRO transfers step by step for flawless results every time. UltraColour PRO delivers unlimited colour and incredible detail with a soft, flexible finish that blends seamlessly with your garment. It's one of the lowest temperature heat transfers on the market, making it perfect for heat-sensitive fabrics that are prone to scorching. Set your heat press to 125 degrees Celsius. UltraColour PRO requires a medium pressure, which is a reading of 4 to 6 on a Hotronics. Next, thread your garment onto the pattern by separating the layers. Working with a single layer ensures you get the most accurate pressure reading possible. Lay the garment flat and pre-press for 3 seconds. This will remove moisture and wrinkles. Place the UltraColour PRO transfer on your garment with the textured side facing down. The clear carrier sheet makes alignment easy. Add a cover sheet. For most fabrics, standard release paper works fine. It's very unlikely at such a low temperature that you'll need a thicker sheet for protection, but if you do, try a grip flex rubber pad. Just remember you'll need to up your temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius to account for the thicker barrier. Now press for 15 seconds at 125 degrees Celsius with a medium pressure. UltraColour PRO heat transfers are a hot peel, so remove the carrier whilst the transfer is still hot. You'll be left with a vibrant, detailed, full colour print that feels like part of the garment. For best results, wait 24 to 48 hours before washing, turn garments inside out and avoid tumble drying. UltraColour PRO makes achieving professional quality prints faster, safer and easier than ever. So order yours today at custom.stahls.co.uk. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and check out our other heat press tutorials. Thanks for watching.